There's a new synchronization option in User Manager, and it solves a simple but important problem. So knowing exactly which sync action to use and when. You will know it after this video. Hey, I'm Marvin and I work as a technical support engineer DevOps at Resolution. In this short update, I will show you the new manual sync option in User Data Synchronization, and I will clarify one important detail. It is not the same as the regular sync action in the user browser.
This is my time. I'm on the rise. Can't hold me down, I'm too fly. This is my time. Ready to shine. Brighter than all of the lights. 'Cause when it's game time.
So let's have a shortly look. You will find it here via Settings and Manual Sync One-Time Action. And as I mentioned, it's not the same as you would go to User Browser and click Sync Users. But let's have a talk about it. So that distinction matters. So when admins see multiple sync options, it's easy to assume they all do the same thing. But that can lead to the wrong expectations about scope, timing, and where the sync is triggered from. If user and group data is outdated, User Manager may not reflect the latest state from your Atlassian organization. And when that happens, admins lose time checking memberships, validating access, or troubleshooting behavior that is really just old data. The new option gives you a dedicated place to manage synchronization. You can define a daily sync time slot for regular updates, and you can also run a one-time manual sync with custom parameters. So when you need an immediate refresh, the best to use it. And here's a key clarification. This manual sync option is separated from the normal sync users action in the user browser. In other words, this is not just the same button in a different place. It is a dedicated synchronization action inside the user data synchronization settings. It's designed for a one-time run without changing the daily schedule. Here is how it works. First, choose the daily sync time slot that defines when the app syncs your organization user data on a regular basis. Second, let's quickly go to the settings and have a look here at the daily sync time slot. You could change it easily here, but here we have the new manual sync one-time action. You use this when you want to trigger a one-time synchronization with selected parameters, such as syncing specific data immediately. And third, keep in mind that this one-time sync only applies to that run. It does not change the daily sync configuration above. So have a look at this manual sync. You could select that it will attach all users or only users with the last active date. You can also select which groups should be synced. Yeah, one more important note. During the selected sync window, the app will not run automated tasks. So it's best to schedule synchronization during off-peak hours, because nobody wants two admin jobs colliding like merge conflicts on a Friday afternoon. When should you use what? Use a daily sync for regular background updates. And use the manual sync in the synchronization settings for a dedicated one-time sync. And use sync users in the user browser as its own separate action in that view. Your next steps are simple. First, review your daily sync time slot. Second, test the new manual sync option from the synchronization settings. And third, make sure your team understands that this is separated from the regular sync users action in the user browser. That way, your sync behavior stays predictable, and your data stays current, and your admin workflow stays clear. Thanks for watching.
This is my time. I'm on the rise.